Today we'll learn how to make a bear hugging a heart out of balloon for your Galentine's Day. Take a long balloon and inflate it, while leaving some space at the end. Knot the balloon with leaving a space of about 3 and then 2 fingers, like you're seeing in the video. Arrange the knots in the shape of the head of the bear. Now we'll make the rest of the body of the bear. Just follow the tutorial to complete it. Now cut the remaining part of the balloon. Now inflate a heart-shaped balloon. You should choose red or pink color for heart. Combine the bear and heart, and it's ready. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.